Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So this is very surprise and good news for Vechain holder. To Vechain also starting moving up, and I have one good news more for Vechain holder. So keep watch this video. This is live price prediction of Vechain, my friends. Today we proof with a live today going up in upcoming days, or what's the next target, my friend. Everybody understand to this is live price prediction, and today we discuss about the prediction to upcoming days, they going up or they fails down. So let's get started. Before I get started the Vechain price prediction, I request to my brother, please click the red button, subscribe this channel, and press the like button. Please like this video. Thank you so much for subscribe and like. Thank you so much, my friend. Okay, this time if you can see here the last 1 hour chart, I already show you on the screen, my friends. Definitely remember these changes occur, and remember this highest point. This is absolutely very important for upcoming time, my friend, which I show you in the chart and the prediction, my friend. Then absolutely you remember that. This time you can see 0.5% they change occur in last 1 hour just, and the price is increasing now. 0.200 US dollar, my friend. Remember this 0.2 US dollar here as 0.2 US dollar, my friend. This time you can see here the latest price is 0.19 US dollar, my friend. So remember that at this time they're going up just, and only they take a very high jump. So in this current time, my friend, they only definitely Vechain is moving up. So remember this. Okay, let's check out the last 7 days chart to what's going on in the last 7 days. Okay, my friend. Okay. Yes, remember, if you, my friend, remember in the last 7 days the change occur and positive, but this time you can see here they fails down, my friend. First of all, I draw, my friend, a 2 line, my friend. This time you can see here the one line is stretch the highest point, and the second line is stretch the lowest. But my friend, this time if you can see here, I draw a resistance line. Here is the resistance line, my friend. So you can see here the resistance line, my friends, touch is here. If you can see here, if they touch the resistance line is here, my friend, then absolutely they're starting jump like a rocket. But this time you can see here, my friend, minus 12.26% they fails down. So definitely, my friends, they come down to the resistance line, just 12% they come down, my friend. But I hope, my friend, if you remember the last one, how, my friend, they gone up in the upward, my friend, they gone in the moon. So exactly, my friends, they cross the resistance line, then definitely they give you very good price, my friend. Their price is increasing now, and here is absolutely 0.27 US dollar. So it's definitely, my friend, the price as if you remember the last 1 hour as 0.200 US dollar something, but here as 0.27 US dollar. So definitely, my friend, the price is increasing now in upcoming days, and absolutely the last 7 days the price is very badly decreased, my friend. So this time you can see here the last 1 hour the price is also already going up like a rocket. So upcoming days, this is my prediction to upcoming days, they going up. Absolutely, you remember the last 1 hour they starting moving up. So upcoming days they going up. So please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching my whole Vechain holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. And what's the good news, my friend? The good news is that to the giveaway of Vechain is coming soon, my friend. So please subscribe our YouTube channel. Complete my 10,000 subscribe, I do a giveaway. I make a special video for this. So please subscribe and like these videos.